liquidations and profit taking crashes the precious metals markets once again, everybody. We're going to talk about that on today's gold and silver updates. Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday. Woo woo. Wow, a lot of stuff went on yesterday, especially yesterday evening. Our precious metals, everybody, took a big dump yesterday. There's some things causing this. I believe it is mass price manipulation all the way, everybody. And it's pretty well the truth. The way silver climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed, and then took that massive drop last Friday. And then we started to try to recover on Tuesday, and it did recover on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then started dumping again yesterday. Big news on that, guys. But that being said, before we get started, I want to thank all of you for the success of this channel, everybody. All over the world, all over the United States of America, our East Coast, our West Coast folks, down in Texas, which I visit, quite often, know people down there. Everybody in the Southeast, we appreciate you very much. By the way, all you YouTubers, we appreciate you also. And all of our new stackers and all of our new viewers on this channel. Thank you so very much. If it wasn't for me, wasn't for you. How about that? Back to my normal self. It wasn't for me. If it wasn't for you, everybody, I wouldn't survive. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, and I appreciate it. And boy, did we throw some freaking interceptions this week, but we're going to be coming back. We're going to throw some good passes. We're going to march down the field, and we're going to score with these precious metals, everybody. So don't panic with these massive crashes that we've had this last week, and continue to buy silver. Right now is a massive buying opportunity for you. It's a great time because this will come back when all of this flushes out and it goes away. All the manipulation that they've been working on goes away, and they're done. It all starts to come back up because then the prices come down and everybody starts to buy once again. Possibility, right? So let's look into gold and silver this morning. Actually, it's better than it was yesterday evening. Yesterday evening, I saw some bad prices, good prices. Oh, you know what? We're going to turn the green light on. You know why? There's no negative about gold and silver and precious metals, because when they go down, it's a buying opportunity. When they go up, it's an investment increase, right? So happy coffee, everybody. Once again, hey, got a little hyperactivity. It's Friday. Why not be hyper on Friday, right? That's freaking awesome, man. You work your butt off all week long just for this day, right? I will say, though, allergies are in full force. We're DEFCON 3, I think, this morning, but we're going to be okay. It's going to be a beautiful day in Oklahoma, everybody. Congratulations to all the winners on the 6,000 subscriber giveaway. Everyone, we appreciate you very much. We're currently at 7,380 subscribers, going for 8,000. Would be awesome by Sunday to hit that mark, and 10,000 subscribers by my 1 year anniversary on this channel, March 15th, guys. So let's get moving on some gold, silver, platinum, and all these precious metals. Oh, gosh. So a little bit of throat clearing, so please forgive me, everybody. 48.6520 on gold. Gold is it's on the march back up. I mean, yesterday it dropped really harshly once again, and it was down. It's up 88.70. It was down a couple $100 yesterday. But gold, over $4,800 is a winner. So that's a green light. That's a double green light. For the year, our silver for a rolling 12-month period is way up. It's still doing fantastic. It absolutely crashed yesterday back down to over $63 an ounce. Huge mark. I personally, I didn't think we'd ever see in the 60s again. I figured we're already done with the crash last Friday, and we'd never see silver, and it's at 73.84 yesterday, over $63 an ounce yesterday evening. It really crashed hard, everybody, but it came back up. These swings are incredible on these metals. Silver, 73.87 now. It's up $3.06. Yesterday it was down at one time, I think, 12 or $13 an ounce. What a swing. I mean, I tell you anymore, I'm not surprised when it skyrockets $10 or $15 in one day, and I'm not surprised when it drops $10 or $15 in one day. It morphs into something different every day, guys. Is that not crazy? But wow, what a massive crash yesterday. Again, that's two in a row, everybody. So at some point, I'm thinking we got to be done. We got to be finished. We're going to talk about some of the things that actually crashed our silver. And it makes perfectly good sense to me. I did study up on it a little bit yesterday. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but I do read. So I do study stuff and I read it, and then I bring that to you. So welcome to this channel, from my family living room to yours, everybody. Platinum is at $19.92. It's up $6 finally. And palladium is $16.42, up $12. It's doing a lot better. Happy coffee and throat noises. Oh gosh. Life is good in the neighborhood, right? We woke up this morning and everything is fantastic. I'm not 6 feet under. Although if I was, I'd know I'd be with the Heavenly Father. So I'm not worried about that. So thank you, Father. Let's go to our Hong Kong and Mumbai markets this morning, since that's all the ones I see on Kitco. Hong Kong's got gold at 49.35, so they're pretty strong on gold right now. And they're really strong on silver again, 84.04. They all dropped, guys. Everything crashed. Mumbai's at 48.67.60 on gold, but they are harsh on silver. They're at 76.44 on silver. And guys, let's go look at the gold to silver ratio. I was really shocked yesterday evening when I looked at it again. It is 65.99. Yesterday evening, the gold to silver ratio was 72-1, everybody. Holy freaking smokes. 72-1. And I looked at Mrs. SSC and I said, hey, if silver keeps dropping and gold goes up and the ratio goes to 80-1, 90-1, I'm going and trading an ounce of silver, ounce of gold for silver. I'm that confident that silver will once again outperform gold considerably, and it already is. It still has over the last 12 months massively, and it'll go right back up, everybody. It's too strong. Things are so different today than they were 1980 and 2009, 2011, all that stuff. The industrial markets on silver are they're crazy. So we'll talk about that in just a second. What I believe. It may not be true, but what I believe. Gold backs, everybody, ended up pretty strong, really. 9.79 exchange rate. they're doing really, really good. 24 karat gold, follow the gold market. So every day you get to look at those and say, hey, how much did my gold back go up exchange rate? If I need to go buy something today, if I need to go pay a doctor today with gold backs, are they going to be worth more or are they going to be worth less? So just like gold and silver. Occasionally, guys, you see me reach up here and hit this button right here. Well, it's because I got to either cough, clear my throat, or blow my nose. That's why I keep doing that. So please forgive me. I don't really try not to do that in front of you, but as a human being, sometimes we do. And hopefully I don't sneeze in front of you. Let's go on to our base metals, everybody. So along with everything else, I wouldn't say they crashed, but they dropped quite a bit yesterday. We were at over $6 a pound on copper, and we dropped down below $5.80 at one time, but we're at $5.89.93, $5.89, yeah, 5.89, so $5.89, and it's coming back up along with everything else. This is Friday, so Fridays can be a shocker. They can come up, stuff can come up, stuff can go down. This week, just this week, pretty much everything did a small increase for a short time, and then it just started coming down. And then yesterday, the big one. So we had a big one last Friday, and we had a big one yesterday, but we're in recovery. So keep stocking your gold, keep stocking your silver, stacking, all of it. So that's what I'm doing. Dollar cost average. The lower it goes, the better off for me. That's why we got the great green lights on, everybody. Nickel's at $7.59 and aluminum is $1.37. It's probably about the same as yesterday. Very hot coffee is very good. Luckily, this is not sizzling hot because otherwise I wouldn't be able to drink it. But moving on. The one that completely died yesterday, everybody, everybody's favorite, that you cannot hold, that you cannot pull out and look at and appreciate what has been given to us, is a digital Bitcoin. My opinion. I'm not a Bitcoin guy. I will never be a Bitcoin guy. They advertise on my channel sometimes. I don't know why. I guess because I talk about it, maybe. Maybe they're trying to get some of you gold and silver stackers to invest in Bitcoin. I don't know. That's solely up to you. Maybe you want to invest in Bitcoin. 66,041.92. It's actually up about $3,000. Yesterday, it dropped all the way down to 63,000. 63,000. It crashed. It was a big no. You know, it's always a big no. It could be 99,000 for me, and it'd be no. Little ADHD going, guys. But man, it is Friday. It's a happy Friday. Things are going good. Silver is I believe going to be on the upswing today. Then again, like I was talking yesterday and the day before, you know, silver recovering? Yes, it's recovering. It's coming back up. And then I'm like, all right, SSC, 2 hours later, and you're wrong. Interception. Oh my gosh. Read through some interceptions. But guys, I don't think any of us saw any of this coming. I mean, we sort of kind of did. Some of you on my channel that have made comments, actually, hey, thank you. You actually were right on some of this, and you saw it coming, and we didn't see it coming. I didn't think it was going to do this. This is the biggest precious metals crash in history in years and years and years, everybody. So some of the things that we got to understand is precious metals, silver and gold, is a hedge against inflation, everyone. Whether it goes up or it goes down, it's your bank account. It's your freaking savings account, everybody. And I continue to buy it, whether it goes up or down. If it goes down, you hold it to recover in the future. And remember something. If you're young, if you're in your 20s and 30s and early 40s and you're starting to stack silver, you got plenty of time to do it. You can use it for retirement. You can pass it to your kids. It can be used for college educations. I have a friend of mine, which is pretty much like a father to me. He is passionate to his grandkids for their college education or skill that they learn. So that's what it's all about. And you get to look at it and it's beautiful. So, I heard some things on silver. The CME raised the basically the percentages or the margins on silver. We're talking about silver, not gold, but we're talking about silver. They raised the margins on them, from what I understand, where they have to put up, kind of like a house. You use it as collateral or a car or something on a loan. That's basically what it is. And so they increased that margin up, and they forced a lot of liquidations. They forced a lot of folks to sell their paper. The paper, guys, is what is driving these crashes big time. Now, some did sell physical silver, but the biggest part of it, from what I saw, was like 500 to 1 paper to physical. 500 to 1 paper to physical. Massive, massive paper sell-off, everybody. Crashing these metals. And guys, I truly believe that the industries that use silver the most, that they use so much of it, they don't want silver, these kind of prices, everybody. It doesn't help them. It hurts them, because then they're thinking, oh, I got to try to find other ways to use this silver. Silver's a huge, huge thing in the industrial sector. So I believe they're a huge part of bringing silver down, trying to hold it back. They don't want high prices. They want low prices. So this is a buying opportunity for you guys. Are you going to do it? Because I believe silver's going to come up today. Could I throw that interception? I could, like I have this week, a couple of times, big time, actually once yesterday for sure. I wasn't 100% sure silver was going to come up yesterday, but I sure thought it was. And boy, did it prove me wrong. Happy coffee. Anyway, it's a happy Friday, everybody. I think once all this clears up and settles down, silver is going to come right back and be bullish as it always has. It's still on an upward trend. Even though we've had these massive drops, we're still on an upward trend on our silver and gold. It goes like this, and then it drops, but then it comes up like this, and it kind of stays that upward trend. So I'd show you some graphs or some charts, but we're not going to get into that today. Guys, we'll do our updates tomorrow on Saturday, and make sure you tune in for Super Copper Sunday and our silver and copper pickups that we got in last week. I'm excited to show you some cool stuff. Hey, do the 1 dime at a time thing, the 1 dime at a time challenge, where you get, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 90% dimes, Mercury, Roosevelt, and have some fun, buy some numismatics. It's a lot of fun. This is just a fun thing for me to do, fun thing for everybody to do. So let's go back and let's end this up with gold at 48.76.70 at 4:55 a.m. everybody, and silver at 74.12, 4:55 a.m. And platinum's up almost to $2,000 again, 1997. Palladium 1645. Our gold to silver ratio, guys, is 65.75. So let's just call it 65 to 1, everyone. And everything else is the same, our copper and our Bitcoin and gold backs. So everybody have a happy Friday. Heavenly Father, thank you for these viewers on my YouTube channel. Thank you for our gold and silver and our precious metals. Father, thank you that we have roofs over our head. And thank you for everything that you give us on this earth that we take for granted. So everybody have a fantastic Friday. We appreciate all of you. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. See you tomorrow. I'm out.